Hello and welcome back to Design Loves Detail. I'm Molly and I'm going to show you our laundry room today. So we've got a brand new reveal. Can't wait to show you more. As always, while you're here, we'd love to have you like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you'd like. Let's check this space out. So this room is in our basement, and I wanted to have a room that was really dedicated to laundry because we've got a couple on the main level, but they're kind of integrated into other spaces, and this one's its own thing, and it's got some fun details. By the way, if you're new here and haven't seen our other reveals, we are sharing our brand new house that we built. It's taken a long time, actually almost 3 years from start to finish, so we're super excited about it. Love to have you check out the other spaces as well and let me know what you think. Anyway, this floor is probably one of the funnest details in this space and was a really great find as far as value because I love, cement tile or those terracotta tiles. Some of them get really spendy, and so I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get the look I wanted in here, but then Floor and Decor came through. This is a really good one, and it's like, I think it's under $15 a square foot. So really great, comes on a mesh sheet. You put it down like a mosaic tile, but of course it's got the bigger scale, which I love. So definitely one that I recommend. And I think it's like a slate. I don't know the exact material, but it's kind of got a little bit of a regularity, which I like because it feels a little bit more natural, like the rest of the house, kind of imperfectly interesting. So love the floor. Over here, washer and dryer. Can't have a laundry room without those babies. Sorry, it's late. It's actually super late and I'm tired, so you might get a weird Molly on this one. And Ben picked these. He is our washer guy. Okay, I've admitted that before, but he does the laundry, and I know it's a lot to admit, but I have other talents. So these guys are really good though. They are LG. They have great reviews, and Ben's been really happy with them. He's given the thumbs up on them, and they're pretty. So I was really happy about that. And then we kind of just built this to fit them, so it feels like clean in here. I love a laundry room that feels tailored and clean and organized, right? Because we want it to be a fresh space. So that I don't have a ton of information on, other than that Ben's been really happy with them. I'll link everything for you in description, by the way. Always try to do that with whatever I can. So some of you guys know that. If you're new, there you go. These upper cabinets, definitely a fun detail. I brought in that arch at the top. You can see those two pieces come together to make the arch. Matches our doors. I did a lot of arch details. You probably, if you've seen the other tours, you've seen them for the doors throughout our house, and then gosh, we have a lot of arches, even just kind of walkways and things that have that arch. So I wanted to bring it in here and kind of keep that cohesive feel going with the house. And the grass cloth was kind of a fun addition I'd been wanting to try to give some texture, because obviously texture is my favorite. So love that in there. You can, get creative with your cabinets, because I don't know, I feel like it's a good place to bring interest. Sometimes they can just be boring and redundant. So I love to mix up cabinet details like that. And this color, by the way, is Benjamin Moore Pashmina. Pashmina, I think is how you say it. And it's a good one because it's got a little bit of depth to it, but it's not like overpowering. You still have kind of a sophisticated feel in this laundry room, which is really what I wanted, just for fun, just because it's kind of cool. And you can see too, even though I did black hardware, which I love, this is from Shaw & Co., which is a sister company of M-Tech, so really high quality stuff. I did want to bring a little pop of like bling, and I did that with this faucet. It's like a champagne bronze, kind of a brass tone, but with a little bit, not super gold, little champagne flare. So love that. And then keeping with kind of the darker punch, because we've kind of got high contrast in here. I don't always do high contrast, but I wanted to kind of, in this space, make it a little bit more punchy, because laundry rooms can get overlooked, I think, and I wanted this space to still have a really cool feel about it. But I brought the darker up to the counters, so we kind of have the floor and the countertops with that more bold punch. And this one is one of my like soapstone dupes. Soapstone's amazing. I love it. It was a little too spendy and a little more maintenance than I wanted. And I know you soapstone diehards will tell me it's not that much maintenance. And I believe you, it's just I've never had it, so I don't really believe you, because I would have gotten it. But, and the cost, it is expensive. This is granite, so it's hard to beat granite. This is, what's it called? Black mist. I almost called it silver mist, which is another one, but black mist honed because I want it to be less shiny, because getting the less shine in it is going to give us more of the soapstone feel. So yeah, I really do love soapstone. I just haven't, I've never had it. So this is another way you can go that's similar. Love it, love it, love it. And then what else do we have? To mix up the cabinetry, because we have the open or the closed cabinetry on the side, I wanted something open for the middle. So we did the long open shelves. They're not really floating shelves because they kind of die into the wall and the other cabinet. But I really like these for mixing up the look, and I kind of feel like it has more of an airy vibe, which I really like for a laundry space. So you can see kind of how I styled it. I just got these bins, which I love. They are in stock at Marshall's. I found mine at Home Goods and they just came in stock, so I will link them for you. And they're a great price. They have two or three sizes in them. I think this is the large. That faux leather detail and the wood handle, they're just super cute and affordable if you need something to kind of organize your space. I also got these for my son's closets. Anyway, so those are great. We've got, I like to use the laundry space for kind of overflow storage for your extra linens and things like that. So I kind of have some towels in here and then just cute things that add a little character. And then we've got over on this side, we'll kind of move over here. You can kind of see too here what I did with the hardware. I wanted to keep it interesting. So this space, you know, like I said, I wanted to keep it fun, a little bit fun. So the handles that I did are a more linear, kind of oversized, and then we mixed it with a little bit of the round knobs just to kind of change it up. Love that. And I did do a black sink in here because I wanted it to feel a little bit more seamless, kind of to not be a standout feature. With the darker countertops, I just kind of wanted it to blend, and I think that keeps it the more sophisticated feel for this room. So over here, I did these little pull-out canvas bins. These are super affordable, a Walmart find. Again, with like just a faux leather handle, and these are so the kids can kind of sort their laundry clean and dirty. By the way, my kids learned to do their laundry at age 8. Because see, what happened is I didn't learn as a kid, and that's why I really I'm scared of laundry. I can do it, I can. But I'm trying to right the wrong because, I mean, my mom's great, but she did all the things. She was like doing too many things. So making some self-sufficient kids, and they do their laundry down here. It's great. So those are kind of to help them organize. And I'm gonna put a rod, actually just a little mini baby rod in this opening, just to have a little place if we have, you know, a couple things that need to hang dry or something spot there. Love the, you know, hidden, the clothes storage so we can have more hidden stuff there if needed. And then just another little kind of open cabinet for fun. Up here you can see the light too. That one kind of has a little bit of an organic vibe. Love that it's like stone and just kind of adds a little bit of interest without being overpowering. Subtle little interesting detail that I love. So I think we pretty well covered it in here. Let me know if y'all have questions in comments and give me your thoughts on the laundry room. Hopefully you like it. We're gonna be back next week with another reveal. I think I'm gonna show you a half bath. We haven't shown any half baths yet, so that'll be fun. I will see you then. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here.